Let's ask you, why would you think it's very important to improve training and facilitation skills nowadays?
Yeah, and Benson, that's a great question. Why facilitation skills are important? Why training is important? And it doesn't matter what I think or what Benson thinks. What is important is what World Economic Forum thinks. And let me give you just one statistic. 2025. World Economic Forum has predicted that 50% of the global population has to be reskilled. Think about that. And what I want you to focus on, if you're gonna reskill 50% of the corporate population, who's gonna reskill them? The trainers, the coaches, the facilitators. Where will these people come from? So imagine the need of the next few years. We need so many coaches, so many trainers. And in my view, after being a part of this industry for the last 1 decade, I don't see that. We need more and more, and therefore, they're looking for you. If you want to be a trainer, if you want to be a facilitator, that is what we need in the next few years too.